welcome back to my channel. So I feel like it's been such a long time since I've done a sneaker review and I missed you guys so much. But today we're going to be talking about the new Pharrell Adidas Nmd that's just dropped today, which is the 23rd of February. So I should probably show you guys what we're talking about. So these are part of the Holly Blank Canvas collection, which also includes two other silhouettes, which is the tennis human race as well as a prime knit Stan Smiths. Now this collection is super clean, everything is all white, very minimal, and it is actually inspired by the Hindu Spring Festival Holi. The NMDs are definitely the most popular out of the three and they are what I got, so let's have a closer look. These retail for 360 Australian dollars, and I know here in Melbourne people camped out for like 3 or 4 nights for them, so they're pretty limited. I think this is a really nice pair of shoes, but if you didn't manage to cop a pair, don't feel too bad because I'm sure Adidas will be coming out with a lot more colorways this year. However, if you still insist on getting a pair, the last time I checked on StockX, it's reselling for about 510 USD for the size 9s which I have, so the price will range depending on the size you're after, so maybe check that out. And yeah, I hope this video was helpful, and if you enjoyed it, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. The next sneakers I'm going to be talking about is the Yeezy 500s, which are currently on the way to me, which I'm super excited, so stay tuned to that. And thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you guys really soon. Bye!